Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete a track in CapCut. It's pretty easy. First of all, if you're the guy who wanna remove the audio track from the video, in that case, what you need to do, first of all, this is my video file which contain an audio file as well. So for that, I need to hit right click on the video clip first. Then I'll able to see the option extract audio. Simply select that and you will see the audio file of that video clip. Simply just remove that, and this is the way you can use to remove the audio track from the video. Now let's say if you're someone who wanna remove the complete track from the timeline, in that case only thing you need to do is to just empty the track, and that way that track will be removed from your timeline. Like let's say this track contain only this video clip, and if I just empty the track, that way the track will be removed from the timeline. It is that easy. So let's say this is the track which I wanna remove. In that case, what I can do, I can simply empty the track. Like you have to simply select all of these things and simply hit the backspace, and you can see the track is gone. So this is the only workaround you have in order to delete track in CapCut. There is no separate option available by which you can delete track directly like we do have in other editing softwares. But yeah, that's pretty much of it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.